Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing. I was in a swap that Brittany hosted. She is BB's Crafts on YouTube and on Instagram, but she hosted it over in a Facebook group called Coffee, Cake, and Crafting. It was the mini tag flip. I did a project share with you on what I created, and I'll link that down below if you want to see it. But these are my partners' submissions here, so I'm going to open up what they sent to me. So there are two of them. I watched the video. Brittany had posted it on her channel. It has been a while. These have been sitting for a week because, just long story, but my son graduated high school and I've been working on a huge Christmas swap that I'll be showing you guys later in the week. But so I've been dying to open these, so I'm glad that I'm finally getting a chance now. It's late on Friday night. It's almost midnight, but I wanted to dive into these. Okay, so the first one is from Tracey. She is TYS Creates on YouTube and Instagram. And she has these personalized. We were in group 1, and there's my name on there. So she's got a fun little puff ball there. Some cute trim tying this bag shut. I want to be careful with this. I love to save all this trim. Let's take out all that goodness. Look at the sequins coming out. How fun is that? I absolutely love that. That looks so cute. So festive. Okay, so she sent some trim. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like a silver and pink, but it's all fuzzy. I absolutely love that. Thank you, Tracey. And this blue, this is really neat too. This is almost like a canvas or like a shoelace type material. Love that. So pink and blues, and oh, and then we got a washi tape too. The washi tape is really pretty. It is pink floral. So pretty. Thank you for that. Okay, we'll get into our tag flip. So first of all, she's got all kinds of trim up here on the top. She's got a pink ring, a little binder ring up here. So there's like some pink tulle. There is some orange seam binding. She's got a little peachy type tassel and a little camel on there. That's super cute. And then she's got this ribbon tassel that is all kinds of really pretty ribbon. So it's that peach and silver, this pink, scalloped, blue, purple, yellow. So fun. Okay, and then she's got this super layered first tag. Oh my gosh, that is so thick. Look how chunky that is. So she's got a rosette and two chipboard pieces, the rosette, some tulle, and then another piece of ephemera. She's got some little popped up sunglasses down there and the little popped up enamel kind of sticker right here. That's super cute. Beach, please. Beautifully punched butterfly here. It's got some gold. Oh, and the wings fold up. That's gorgeous. Very pretty. And she's got it sewn down the middle. She included two little tiny bag toppers here. Those are so cute. A little chipboard swimsuit here, a chipboard palm leaf. There is a little popsicle. Beautiful. Again, the tulle, the layering is so nice on here. They're just so chunky. Here she gifted some little ice cream cone puffy stickers, adorable. A little blue flower that is made out of like almost like a linen material. It's a cute tag too. Oh, here she gifted some eyelash trim. I love that, and I love this pink. I don't have that. Here's another super layered tag. So she's got some chipboard stickers, some ephemera pieces, again with the tulle. The tulle just adds so much texture to it. There's sequins and everything. I love it. Cute little record player there. It's adorable. Oh, here she gifted some flat back gems in all different colors. So there's like pearlescent ones in pink and mint, and then some jewel tone colors in purple, blue, and yellow. Oh, some more eyelash trim in the purple. Very cute. And then the last tag is this chunky layered tanning beach babe. She is an ephemera piece. So she's got 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of ephemera here again, and then with the tulle. That is so cute. Love this. Love, love, love. The little camel is so funny. Okay, so that is Tracey. I'll link her information down below. Go check out her channel. Thank you so much, Tracey. I love it. This next one is from Lasagna Burger. She is Ms. Doll's Handmade Creations on YouTube. Hers came all packaged like this. So this is just her tag on the back, just letting us know who it belongs to. And she wrapped it in this gorgeous trim. Look at that. I absolutely love that. Oh, I need to know where this is from. That is so cute. So fun. She's got a little 3x3 card here. It's adorable. Oh my gosh, this little package is so perfect for these cards. So she's got a little strawberry button on there and it says shine. That is super cute. Very cute. She's got it all layered up. Oh, and I can reuse it. Very cute. Thank you so much. There is her little Wonder Woman stamp created by Lasagna. It says on there. Love that. Thank you. Let me get this open. Look at that wrapping paper. So cute with the unicorns and rainbows. Oh my gosh. I remember Brittany saying how sturdy this was. She was not kidding. Oh my gosh. This Maggie Holmes collection. I love. I figure out how to get in here. Gosh, this is an amazing way to send a tag flip. This is like hard cardstock. And it is all put in there so nothing moves, nothing gets out of place. Oh my gosh. This is sturdy. This is so sturdy. Look at the detail here. She's got the seam binding. She's got a beautiful flower there with some pearls here. The word sweet. She's got the beautiful horse there with a little bow. She's got a little ice cream down there. She's got some flat back drops here. Then she's just got the ribbon all around it. This is so pretty. Okay, so then I have to untie this to open it. So she put the holes in there. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, look at that. Is so cute. And then here is her tag flip. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first she's got this gorgeous cabochon bow on there, and it's on this heart clasp. So cute. And here she's got a die cut heart with some trim, and inside she's got little die cut pieces, and they look like floral pieces, which I do not have this die. Oh, wow, these are so pretty. She's got the gold centers. Oh, they're already layered. Oh, I love it. Okay, so she's got this one with the, this one is with the strawberries, the glittered white and the gold center. This one is blue with the floral, and then it's the pink polka dot on top and the gold center. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the gold with the gold glitter. That is beautiful. Oh. And this like tropical looking one, gorgeous. And then she's got the leaves all layered up. Thank you so much. I love, love, love that. Love how these just tuck in there too. Great job on that. Tuck them back in. Her next tag is this Dollar Tree tool that's got like the texture on it. And then she's got some word beads glued down there. She's got these tiny little gold like sequins with like Nouveau drops in the middle. That's gorgeous. Oh, and here she's got some pins or some buttons from the collection that she made. Let me see how I can get these out. Oh, you have to take off the top. I wanna, you have to, let me see, hold on. Nope. Oh, she just had it folded over. Clever. Look at those. So she's got the strawberry, the hot air balloon, the swan, and then the gold words. This one says hello. These are so cute. Thank you so much for those. Here she's got a little shaker tag with a gorgeous shaker mix, sequin mix that matches the collection perfectly. She's got the yellow bow on there. Here she's got the tiniest little bows. Oh my gosh. And they're wrapped with the gold thread in the middle. So she's got the strawberry, the polka dots, and then the black and white. Oh, and this beautiful applique flower on there. Oh, pom-pom trim. So much detail. Thank you. Here she's decorated with the swan pin, a little gold bow. She fussy cut the hot air balloon out there. Looks like she did like some stenciling in the background or like texture paint. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this tiny little crocheted heart. Oh my God, girl, did you make that? That is so cute. And look at these little charms. She's got lips and then just this like pearl with almost like a gold flake on it. Little Nouveau drops here. This gorgeous flower again. I gotta know where you got these flowers. She fussy cut out the goose. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, and here she gifted a bunch of flat back pieces. There's the rainbows, little ice cream sundae, some macaroons. There's a yellow one and a pink heart. Little sweet popsicles and lollipops. Those are so cute. Thank you. Here is a tag that is, she fussy cut the butterfly out. Got this gorgeous scalloped trim right there. A little camera sticker, and then in the middle she put a crystal, a little flat back there. That's so cute. Cutest little bow here. It's got the word hello, and again with like the Nouveau drops, she's got the red ones on here. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Whoops. Oh, I just want to make sure I'm not making anything fall out. She made a keychain, a personalized keychain. Let me see if I can get this out. Gosh, it's been so long since I watched the reveal that I don't remember any of this. So this is so fun. Oh my gosh. Got it connected to this paper so it doesn't go anywhere. Oh my gosh, look at that resin piece. That is glittered and my name is on there. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And then she's got it on the black piece here, the matching black key ring here, and then she's got these hearts and silver spacers, beautiful faceted pink beads. Oh, everything matches here. So she's got the black chain. Oh my gosh, this, what does this say? This says Miss Doll's Handmade Creations. Can you guys see that? How that is printed on this tiny little clear heart? That is amazing. Oh my gosh, and look at this. Look at this piece here. The way this glitters, this butterfly. Oh my God, the way it's catching the light is just beautiful. Oh, Lasagna, this is gorgeous. Thank you so much for this. Beautiful, beautiful work. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Lasagna. Thank you to Tracey. I love everything. I'll link their information down below if you guys want to check their channels out. Thanks for watching. Bye.